Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. There is an announcement. We are starting 40 days free live workshop to become Salesforce Administrator. This free live workshop is for Salesforce Administrator and it is started from 11th of September to 26th of October 2024. The timing will be 7 p.m. IST to 8 p.m. IST. Interested individuals, the candidates who are interested to attend this workshop, they have to drop a mail to salesforcenetwork@gmail.com. After getting the mail, you will get notified that you are going to attend this live demo for Salesforce Administrator. Daily recording available on Salesforce Network YouTube channel. Looking forward for the positive response. Topics what we are going to cover in this workshop, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Create Salesforce Developer Account, Cloud Computing Concept, Environment, Edition, License, Version, Demo Application, Document, Application, Object, Tab, Field, Schema Builder, what is a master detail relationship, lookup relationship, junction object, hierarchical relationship, roll-up summary, field dependency, formula, validation rule, profile, permission set, role, user, page layout, compact layouts, record type, public group and queue, company information, storage usage, audit trail, business hours, IP address, login history, OWD, security controls, in that organization level security, object level security, field level security, record level security, then sharing, owner based sharing, criteria based sharing, manual sharing, email templates, workflows, email alert, field update, outbound message, task, time based workflow, process builder, approval process, flow builder, import wizard, data loader, report, dashboard, system overview, and at the end we are going to see a mini project on administrator part. That is the thing what we are covering in this Salesforce Administrator workshop. Thank you.